Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. In last class we learned some standard function integration and problem from the exercise. So today we are going to learn a very important technique of integration. See, we know in integration quotient rule is not there, product rule is not there, chain rule is not there, right? So whenever we come across the product of two function, quotient of two function as well as composite functions, we need these techniques of integration, and very important. Please remember, okay, like in differentiation chain rule, this part in integration, okay, it's a heart of integration. If this not works properly, integration does not work. So please remember, you must learn this, whatever we'll start today, perfectly. Without this, integration is not possible. Remember that, because the tools are very less in integration. Please remember, chain rule illa, quotient rule illa, product rule illa. So whenever product of two function comes, or the quotient ban rahe, athwa composition function ban rahe, you have to learn, you have to use these techniques of integration. Please remember, this part is heart of integration. Okay, so let me begin with the first technique. Okay, is known as the substitution method. This is the first technique. We have so many different techniques in integration to solve these types of problem. Yeah, so the first technique of integration is the first method of integration is substitution method. This type of method you learn in limits as well as in differentiation also. So same thing will continue. Observe carefully. Here you are going to solve four different types of problem, okay, remember that. Under that, the first type is integration of f of g of x into g dash of x dx. Yeah, this tells that you cannot integrate all the composite function. See, in differentiation we don't have this problem. In differentiation you can differentiate each and every composite function. ಯಾವುದೇ composite function im kodli, you can differentiate easily. But in integration of every composite function is not possible. Okay, when integration of composite function is possible, only when when the given composite function satisfies this condition. You know, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ inside function derivatives. If you want to integrate f of g of x, you need to have along with that function differentiation or the derivative of inside function. Otherwise you cannot integrate. For example, suppose you want to integrate sine of log of x square, something like that. This is definitely not possible. Only this, never possible. Remember, log of x square, maybe some method there, but for your level, the pure level, we say that this integration is not possible because we don't have any other function along with that, okay, which gives differentiation of the inside function. So in this integration is not possible. Please remember that. Why? Outside we don't have derivative of the inside function. Okay, now I will show you how to answer this, and I'll explain again this with the one example. Don't worry. So first you would substitute, as I wrote the heading substitution method. So first substitute g of x equal to t. Substitute g of x is equal to t. Remember, here you are going to use derivative. For this reason only I told in the beginning of integration, without derivatives integration is not possible, or if you are good in derivative, integration is not difficult. Please remember that. So differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, g dash of x equal to differentiation of t with respect to x, and I know dt by dx. So this implies I can write g dash of x into dx equal to dt. So we need this, and I know g of x is equal to t as well as g dash of x into dx is equal to dt. Now use these two in the given problem. Enagat nodi, g of x enagata t, g dash of x into dx, what it will convert? Okay, it will convert into dt, only dt, f of t into dt. See, in the beginning the given problem contained composite function, but after this substitution method, we got a function which will be one of the standard function, and it's a simple function. Illi composition illa, observe ಮಾಡಿ, f of t, that's it, a simple function. This f of t will be one of the standard function which we learned in last class. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So first, this is a trick or to technique to solve this type of integration. See, I can't continue from here because here f of t is unknown. So I just underline the general method here itself. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x square plus 1 into 2x dx. root of x square plus 1 2x dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ f ಏನು root, g of x ಏನು x square plus 1. What is g dash of x? 2x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾ. Now ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು actually? Substitute x square plus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t, with respect to x. So this implies 2x into dx is equal to dt. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಹಾ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಏನು ಟಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಟಿ 2x dx ಏನು 2x dx will be dt. See, now this function is converted into a simple function and you know how to integrate this. ಹೇಗೆ integrate ಮಾಡೋದು? Don't replace in terms of x again, don't do that. Don't replace in terms of x again, because if you try to replace in terms of x you will get the question back, so that should not happen. Now t power half into dt, you know this how to integrate, x power n formula, t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. But final answer must be in terms of x, andre 2 by 3 x, t and x square plus 1 alla, so replace t by x square plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you understood. Final answer must be in terms of x. New in between you are converting x into t, but final answer ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you should replace t in terms of x, then underline the answer. But integration ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ t ಅನ್ನ x ಅಲ್ಲಿ replace ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, integration ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾನು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? once the integration complete ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ t replace it by x, then keep the final answer in terms of only x. So this is the first method, okay, or the first type of problem under the heading substitution method. F of g of x must be multiplied by g dash of x to integrate composite function. All the composite function integration is not possible. Only few composite function integration is possible which satisfies some condition. Here you saw one, it's like that you will get few more condition of this kind. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದು ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. What is second type problem? Observe carefully here. Integration of f of x whole raised to n into f dash of x dx. Even this is also a composite function. This is also a composite function. But only one particular type. Function is inside, outside is its power. And n can be any real number. Any real number. Okay? Actually, you are going to remember this as a formula. Please remember that. You are going to remember this as a formula. I'll write the answer and I'll explain why it is like this in general as well as with an example. Okay, so you are going to remember this as a formula. Integration of f of x whole raised to n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. I'll explain this with an general explanation with an example together both. Okay, so proof is like this. Example barala but direct answer helikagala, so I'll give you the proof. Simple agide, observe ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, when you compare this with the previous one, can you tell me what is g of x, what is f of x? F of x is whole power n. What is g of x? F of x. So again it comes under the substitution, so substitute inside function as t. So what is the inside function? F of x will be inside function. Now differentiate with respect to x. See, every time no need to write dt by dx, hೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Last example I'll explain because it is in the beginning. Now I hope you understood why it is possible like this directly. dt by dx barate, dx niche tagomani, possible, but no need to write that step, directly write like. Okay, so now use these two in the given problem. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ f of x ಏನು t power n, f dash of x dt ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dt, and it is in the form of x power n. What is x power n? t power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So what is t actually? F of x, correct? See, we got the right hand side. So this is the proof for, okay, the general type f of x whole raised to n into f dash of x dx. See, for example, x square plus x plus 1 whole to the power 100 into 2x plus 1 dx. Suppose ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ you can't integrate this. Possible expansion method, but for this level, PU level, we say that this integration is never possible. Artha aita ee integration possible illa. So this must contain, okay, this factor, because this is the derivative of x square plus x plus 1. Now this is easy to integrate. See, according to this method, what you should do, substitute first x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ 2x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt ಅಲ್ವಾ. So according to substitution, this become t power 10 into dt. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ. So t power 10 integration to t power 11 by 11 plus c. What is t? X square plus x plus 1 whole power 11 by 11 plus c. I hope you understood. Very simple to answer. Actually, you can use this as a formula directly. Answer ಬರೆದ್ರು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Okay, whenever this is itself is one important part. Suppose this is a part of some other problem, then you can directly use it. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If this is a part of some other problem, one side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು, one part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, suppose if this question is asked, then you must follow this method only. Don't use the formula directly. Actually, this formula is very useful for entrance exam. Okay, one step ಅಲ್ಲಿ very rarely ಯಾರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Third type substitution method is f dash of x by f of x dx. F dash of x by f of x dx. See, the last two will be the replacement for chain rule. ನೆನಪಿ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್. But if you get a quotient of two function in integration, we don't have quotient rule, so the next two will be the replacement for the quotient rule in integration. Because quotient rule type formula are not there in our integration, so we should have some other method, some other techniques of techniques to integrate quotient of two function. But again, I will tell you that all quotient of two function cannot be integrable. Using next two technique, you cannot integrate each and every quotient of two function. Please remember. So that this is actual problem in integration. Differentiation hagala. One quotient rule define madidmele, you take any quotient of two function, you don't have any problem to apply quotient rule. But illa agalla. Integration problem edu. Tools are less, very less. So next two technique edu one particular type ige. You cannot use the coming next two types for all the quotient of two function. Please remember that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಕೋಶನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಕೋಶನ್ ರೂಲ್, ದ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್, ಆರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, and it is important one again. So I'll write answer also, because this you should remember as a formula. This is actually log of mod of f of x. Mod, I hope you know why we are using integration. Okay, in integration log will be an output, so output can be anything, so log of negative number is not allowed, so it should be mod of any answer, f of x. Okay, so answer, if you remember, it will be useful for entrance exam. Even if you don't know the formula, nothing to worry, you remember the method, you can solve any problem of this kind. Again, it is actually almost like it's not composite here, but it is a quotient of two function, alva. So I will give you the proof. Observe carefully. Usually you are going to substitute for f of x, not for its derivative. Remember that. So again here substitute f of x is equal to t. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, f dash of x dx is equal to dt. You saw this in the last three problem, right? Now substitute these two in the given problem, check what you will get. Numerator will be dt divided by t, right? And you know integration of 1 by t. What is integration of 1 by t? Yeah, it is log t. Correct? Plus integration constant that I know you will not forget to write. So log of, what is t? T is nothing but f dash of t is nothing but f of x. Correct? T is nothing but f of x plus, that's it. So proof example kelala, but okay, if you remember the proof, you can apply that in problems. Got it what I'm telling? So answer is, if you can remember this in another way. if numerator is exact differentiation of denominator, if numerator is exact differentiation of denominator, then integration is log of denominator. I will repeat, if numerator is exact differentiation of denominator, then integration of such function is log of denominator, is log of denominator. Please remember, it's very useful. Okay, so let me take one example for this. So here you have x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. Suppose question is like this, x plus 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5. See, in future you will get some different methods also for this type of expression, but the best method which, okay, just now I gave, okay, in general. Now here you may find little confusion, or you may get some confusion, you may find difficult to manage, or you may get some confusion. That confusion is when you substitute the denominator is equal to t in barateli 2x plus 2 alva into dx equal to dt. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x plus 2 or 2x plus 2 numerator ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, but numerator is other than 2x plus 2, right? But question comes here whether you can take the 2 outs, whether you can bring that term which is there in the numerator of the given problem. Yeah, you can bring it. Which term you can bring here? X plus 1. How to bring that x plus 1? Take 2 outside, correct? Right now? Yes. So take 2 outside, you will get the numerator. But we want only, x plus 1 into dx. So we don't want 2. So x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt by 2. X plus 1 into dx is equal to dt by 2. Artha aita? Very good. So now substitute this in numerator. Numerator is dt, alva? Numerator is dt. Any confusion? No. Denominator is t. So what is the answer? Log of mod of plus c. So that is log of, what is t? X square plus 2x plus 5. As I told, the final answer must be in terms of x only. Final answer must be in terms of x. So I hope you understand this procedure. This is an important task. Idu nimge clear ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ, substitution method ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ integration problem ಎಲ್ಲಾನು easy. Substitute decide ಮಾಡೋದು important, ಆಮೇಲೆ substitute ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ simplify ಮಾಡೋದು important. So I hope you are understanding how to decide the substitution as well as how to use a substitution and integration to complete the problem. Got it? Very good. So last type in integration of using substitution method is f dash of x by root of f of x. This is again quotient of two function. Remember, this is again a quotient of two function, and we don't have the quotient rule apply here, so we need some technique. The previous technique does not work here, so we need new one. Remember that. Now previous one technique ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ particular type of problem. ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ f dash of x by f of x. If the given problem is in the form of f dash of x by f of x, then you can use the previous technique. Now it's not just f dash of x by f of x, it's f dash of x by root of f of x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So again I will give you the answer and I will show you how to get the answer. If you remember this as a formula, this will be very useful for entrance exam. Okay, if you remember the method, definitely useful for the board exam. So again, you observe in the last 3 problem, you are going to substitute the function which is other than f dash of x. So obvious, f of x must be substituted as a t, right? So what is f dash of x? F dash of x dx is equal to dt. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. Bring these two in numerator, dt by root t, correct? T power minus half, correct? So it is ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 1 minus half by 1 minus half. So this will be t power half by half plus c. So this is nothing but 2 times root t plus c. So that is nothing but 2 times root t and f of x plus c. This complete the proof. This complete the proof. I hope you understood. Now if here you remember one thing as one expression as a formula, it is very useful. Integration of 1 by root x. If you remember, you can save a lot of step here. Integration of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Please remember that. Useful. 1 by root x na integration 2 root x. Please remember that. Okay. See for example, idu artha aita? Substitute f of x equal to t, which is inside root. Differentiate, substitute back. This part is simple already, so final answer should be in terms of x. So replace t in terms of x, you will get the final answer. Let me take one example here. X by x square plus 1 with the square root dx. See, maybe it is not exactly in the same format, but you don't have any other option, okay? Instead of substitute, okay? There's no other option, okay, to solve this problem. Substitute madade ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2x dx is equal to dt. Now you will come to know how this substitution works. You need only x dx, so this implies x dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ dt by 2, correct? dt by 2, right? No? Okay, so this will be ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, so dt by 2 into root t, and you just now I told 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 root t, so this become 1 by 2 into 2 root t plus c. So 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, final answer is root t. root t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x square plus 1 plus c. See here, in the previous question I left that half, this half will come, okay, this will be there here outside 1 by 2. Just please correct in the previous question, half bit ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is the fourth type. So I hope you understood all the 4 different types of problems under the heading substitution, and substitution will be the first technique of integration. Please remember, for substitution will be the first technique of integration. Now we are going to solve problems using these 4 different types of substitution now itself, okay? So we are going to discuss some problems based on the 4 different techniques we just now we learned, okay? Today's first question using those technique is integration of 2x divided by 1 plus x square dx. See, now it is not in the order, you know, 4 types on the order kalditalva, so no, but problems are not in that order, please remember that. So it is in different order. You have to identify which technique of substitution method you are going to use, which type of problem is given here, decide that method and use it, okay? Yeah, so it is in the which form, can you tell me? This is in the form of f dash of x by f of x dx, alva. So this is in the form of f dash of x by, okay, f of x into dx. So what is f of x? Obvious, 1 plus x square will be f of x, right? No? Differentiate 2x dx is equal to dt. So without any difficulty you will get the numerator divided by t, and integration of 1 by t and no log t, correct? But remember, final answer must be in terms of x only, that is 1 plus x square plus c. That's it. First problem artha aita? Don't forget to write c at the end, okay? You should write c after, immediate after integration ಇಲ್ಲಿ complete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯತಿ plus c ಬರೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ maintain ಮಾಡಿ last step ಅಲ್ಲಿ, okay? So answer for the first one is log of 1 plus x square plus c with the modulus sign. Here you can ask, sir, why we can't write directly? I told use the direct method in only an entrance exam. Enough for the board exam point of view, better to follow this. Or if this is a part of some problem, then you can directly use it. ಈ problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರದೆ these steps are important, okay? These steps are important. ನೀವು ಈ steps ಅನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದೆ board exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ, you may lose a marks. You may have right answer at the end, but you may lose a marks. So don't do that. Don't skip any step. Write each and everything. Only for the board exam I am telling. Okay? First problem you want to write. So I'll take the another one. The next one is log x whole square by x dx. Can you tell me this is in which standard form? Okay, I'll help you. First you write the given problem like this. At least hೀಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. That is more important. You should identify. Otherwise you cannot begin this problem. Yeah, it is in the form of, you know, f of x whole raised to n into f dash of x dx, alva. Here which is f of x? Yeah, log x will be f of x, f dash of x will be obvious 1 by x. So what we should do? Substitute log x is equal to t, correct? 1 by x dx is equal to dt, right? Right? So it will be t square into dt, that is t cube by 3 plus c. So what is t? Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Done. So I hope you understood even this question also. Simple question. Log x whole square by x. So identify f of x properly. Substitute. Remember this part is important. Then after substitution, okay, don't replace t in terms of x. Keep it in the t form only. But final answer must be in terms of x. Understood? First two? Very good. Okay, so third question. Integration of 1 by x plus x log x dx. Third question. 1 by x plus x log x dx. Yeah, here it look like a single function, not f dash of x is there, or maybe f of x is not there, right? So be careful here. You can convert this into one of the standard form. How? Can you tell me? Yes, you're right. Take x outside, you'll get 1 plus log x, right? Now write this as a 1 by x into dx divided by 1 plus log x. Got it? Now tell me, this is in which standard form? Yeah, it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x dx. Now homework ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಆಗ ನೀವೇ practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ to identify this and as well as to solve this problem. Yeah, you know this answer is log of denominator, right? But don't write directly. You know what is the method? Substitute 1 plus log x is equal to t. You'll get 1 by x dx is equal to dt. That is nothing but numerator. So this will be dt by t. So it is nothing but log t. What is t? Yeah, 1 plus log x. Don't forget to write the modulus sign. So this will complete the problem. Even third problem is also done. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So first three problem I hope you understood. As I told, it is in a different order, so you should first, your work is to identify which standard form, then substitute, simplify or differentiate, simplify and substitute back in the integration, as well as integrate the work. Correct? Okay, now I'll give you two problems for homework. The first one is root of ax plus b dx. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ x by root of 1 plus 2x square. Both these two you have to work out as a homework problem. Please remember that both these two problems you have to work out as a homework problem. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ, okay? You can ask definitely, but you try yourself, because even in integration, if you not you work yourself, maybe result is very difficult, or you may find integration difficult if you just listen the video, or if you just solve the problem which we discuss in a class. You have to solve yourself some new problem. For that reason I am giving homework. Okay, yeah. Sixth problem, integration of sine x into sine of cos x. How you can solve this problem? Can you tell me? This is in which form? F of g of x into g dash of x, alba? So you know, substitute cos x is equal to t, differentiation ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? minus sin x dx is equal to dt. correct? So minus is not required, so that, okay, you can write like this: sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Use this in a given problem. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? cos t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? t. What is dx? Minus dt. correct? This you can write as a minus, you can take it outside. Only integration of sin t dt, right? Remember what is the integration of sin t? Integration of sin t is minus cos t. Already we had one minus sign, one more minus sign is coming, and don't forget to write that integration constant. So this is nothing but cos t. What is t? Cos x. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? I hope you understood this simple problem. Again, this part is important. ಈ part ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ this part is simple. Integration part I don't think so you will find difficult. ನಿಮಗೆ integration difficult ಅಲ್ಲ. Other than integration part of integration is difficult. Please remember that, okay? So I hope you are observing in each and every problem. Last step is integration model. Before that we are thinking about how to convert the given problem into integrable problem. Okay? First in the last step we are just simplifying to given problem to convert into an integrable problem. Once you are able to convert into integrable problem, integration in the last step. It is one of the standard function only, so not an issue with that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Question 7th one. Integration of, this is a little difficult, x minus root x. Difficulty is only to identify the first step. If first step and identify model, even this question is also simple. Can you help me? Yeah, maybe you are thinking like this, writing x as a root x into root x, because there is no other option. Don't go for rationalization. Maybe your difficulty will increase if you rationalize. So in numerator, which is common, root x will be common, take it outside, you will get root x minus 1. Now this you can write as a dx by root x whole divided by root x minus 1, fine. Now you got some idea that maybe you are going to maybe this substitution works. Always remember you are going to substitute from the denominator, not numerator. Very rare for these options. Now differentiate this. You know 1 by 2 root x dx will be dt because differentiation of 1 will be 0. We need only 1 by root x dx which is equal to 2 dt, right? I hope you understood this much. Now substitute this and this in the given problem. What you will get, tell me now? Dt by 2 divided by t, right? No, numerator dx by root x, you know, 2 dt, sorry, yeah, not dt by 2, 2 dt divided by whole denominator will be t, right? So it is nothing but 2 times 1 by t integration, you know, 1 log t, that is 2 times log of t, you know, root x minus 1. So that's it. So 2 times log of root x minus 1 plus c. Remember, this is one very important question for 2 marks because this particular problem is asked in final exam. A very important problem for 2 marks. Please remember that. Okay. So next question, 8th one. X by root of x plus 4. X by root of x plus 4. Here is one problem. See, suppose if you start substituting x plus 4 equal to t, in the dx is equal to dt, but till x is there. So how to manage? Observe carefully. This is an important question again. So a different question. Observe. Plus 4 minus 4 and add and subtract in numerator. Add 4 and subtract 4 in numerator. Then split in x plus 4 by root of x plus 4 minus 4 by into dx minus 1 by root of x plus 4 dx. So what is x by root x? X by root x is root x, alva. So this will be root of x plus 4 dx minus 4 into 1 by root of x plus 4. Correct? Alva. So how to integrate first one? Root of x plus 4 dx, simple, minus 4 into 1 by root of x plus 4 dx. See, here you substitute x plus 4 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt, right? So this will be root t into dt. No problem, direct answer ban bidate. So here same thing. So minus 4 into dt by 1 by root. Same substitution works for both. What integration of root t? T power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. I hope you agree with this. Once the integration minus 4 into, you know this, 2 root t, already I told about this. So 2 by 3, t and x plus 4 whole power 3 by 2 minus 8 into root of x plus 4 plus. This is the final answer for this particular problem. So for kashta ito correct observe madi, important question also. Okay, I hope you understood. Now I'll give you 2 problem, again 2 more problem for homework. Simple problem I am giving, don't worry. Integration of e power 2x plus 3 dx 1, and 10th one 1 by x into log x whole to the power m. Both are okay homework problem. So 4 problem, 10 problem, non 10 problem ali 6 problem non solve madene, 4 problem you have to work out. Suppose gottagale, don't worry, you can ask with me at any time. So we completed 10 problems and 4 techniques of integration, and the problem part will continue. Problem part will continue next classes also. Okay, thank you.